Huh? Looks like it. Your hand is over.
Welcome everybody to the Game. I'm going to teach you how to make chicken crescents with starring
Hi, I'm his mom.
my mom. Little kind of sad, but you know, it works. First, you're going to boil chicken to where it's cooked in chicken broth, right? Chicken broth.
I just boil it in water.
Just boil it in water, and then you're going to take cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. You're going to mix it all together when you cut up the chicken, and you kind of stuff it in crescents. She'll show us here in a second. And the ideal way to have this is with a fruit salad with poppy seed dressing.
Which we're not having tonight.
Yeah, we're not having. Bummer. See, as I was growing up, this is one of my childhood favorites. See, if we didn't go out for my birthday, I'd have chicken crescents. And I think I'm going to help her out. I'm going to cut the chicken for you, Mom. Is that fair?
Sure.
Cut the chicken? Set y'all up right here. Y'all can see it all. What's up? Bear with me. I don't know where anything is in the kitchen. Oops, where?
All you need is 2 forks and shred it, or you can pull it apart with your fingers.
Y'all, so I don't mess it like that. Difficult.
That's how you did it on a cutting board.
I think Japanese people have that handle. How thin you want the chicken?
Doesn't matter.
It's building up on these forks.
Yeah, it usually does.
Yeah. Got any jokes while we're waiting?
Nope. I'm going to preheat the oven.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's start making it.
Let's try it. Stuck on here pretty good. So you say you preheat the oven to 350 or 450?
I don't know how much I can see.
There it says, heat oven to 375 or 350 for a dark or non-stick cookie sheet. Unroll dough, spread 8-inch triangles, separate into 8 triangles. Roll up triangles starting at the wide end, place on ungreased cooking sheet curved each into current shape. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes until golden brown. And Pillsbury Crescents. This is sponsored by Pillsbury. No, I'm joking.
So to make clean and easy, I use parchment paper.
Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. With more tutorials on how to play video games. Well, you already know, but tutorials of video games.
Or to watch me cook.
Or to watch her cook.
How's the chicken coming?
It's not shredded too easy. Is that shredded enough? Gonna make you hungry here. Chicken. Lovely frozen chicken breast. Yeah, this isn't farm fresh. By no means. But it still tastes amazing.
So, I just boiled the chicken in onion and poultry seasoning. And you can add anything to the chicken you want to make it more tasteful. But I add celery, salt, and paprika because I just kind of like the smoky flavor of paprika. The cream of chicken and mushroom soup, any brand. You can use the off-brand if you like.
Can you see the cans, people? She's taking my chicken away. So, I guess I'm going to open up the crescents for her. Try this one-handed. Come on, you peel. Okay. This is the struggle I have every day making a video. Even though I don't make a video every day. It's like a once-a-week thing. This is the first part, whacking it against the counter.
No, I guess that counter or not.
Which counter?
Yeah.
sorry. That's the fun part, folks, hearing that pop. Well, there's some mighty fine-looking biscuits. Crescents. So I unravel this, as so. Try not to hurt the dough as much as possible. I kind of just flop it out on the parchment paper, right?
Mhm.
There's one.
I would just do one for right now.
She's adding the cream of mushroom and the cream of chicken. Looks mighty tasty. I'm gonna stick my finger in it. No, I'm joking.
Will you put the others in the refrigerator, please?
The mushroom, or not the mushroom, but the So we originally bought 3, but I mean, you don't always use them. Nice to have crescents. They're good for spaghetti, right? Right? Comment down below if you like spaghetti. You can never say that word as a child.
Sounds like you can't say it as an adult.
Spaghetti, people, spaghetti.
You can do lots with the crescents. You can stuff them with scrambled eggs and ham in the morning. Bake them just like you're baking these tonight, and you have a little breakfast sandwich. You can put hot dogs and cheese in them. You can do all kinds of stuff with crescents.
All right, and take me from the hot dogs and cheese. That's pretty good. Where I come from, we call them pigs in a blanket.
You're making a mess out of that.
I'm sorry, I'm doing it one-handed.
So you unroll the dough, and it's warm, so it's going to stretch. It's much better when it's refrigerated, but we just got back from the grocery store, so.
And
It's easier to go ahead and pull them apart before you fill them,
oh, she broke one.
and it's fine, y'all.
How do you feel about breaking crescents?
Not a struggle.
See, if it was me, and I've never tried it, but I love the taste of a bell pepper, a sweet red bell pepper, I would add it into the chicken. But, I mean...
But his mom doesn't like bell peppers, so...
Yeah, she doesn't like onions or peppers. And it's kind of funny, you don't like onions, but you boil it in an onion.
Well, I mean, I'll cook with onion, and I like cooked onion for the most part. These crescents are also good if you want to take any kind of pie filling, canned pie filling, and stuff it in there and bake them. Or you can melt butter, add cinnamon and sugar to them. You can do just about anything with a crescent. So this is the part that gets very messy, but you want to stuff your crescents just like this with the filling. And it's okay if it spills out, bakes out, just fine.
It tastes better when it bakes out, trust me. While she does that, I'll throw in the asparagus.
No.
No? No?
No, because I'll have time while this is baking to start the asparagus and the potatoes.
We're having sweet potatoes today. If you like sweet potatoes, say you like sweet potatoes. If you like potatoes, say you like potatoes in the comment section. Me personally, I'm a sweet potato fan. Mom, how about you?
I'm usually a sweet potato person. We just bake those in the microwave. This is a really quick, easy, not quite 30-minute meal, but the chicken I baked, or I boiled this morning. You can do this with a rotisserie chicken. It makes your kitchen time in half. You just run to the store, grab the rotisserie chicken, come home, debone it. If you have leftover fried chicken, just take the skin off and use that chicken. Grilled chicken works great with it. Canned chicken will be just as good. So you just roll them up. Super easy.
I'll be doing commentary off and on as it cooks, because I'm not just going to sit here and talk. It cooks. So pause it, and we'll be back after a short period of time. Any last thoughts?
And we're going to make gravy with the leftover stuffing. So this was 3 chicken breasts. That was it. We shredded it, added the soup, the nice stuffed egg crescents, and I'll bake them. And with the leftover chicken, I'm going to make a gravy. I'm going to add milk and add a gravy to go over the top of them.
It's called giblet gravy. Or,
Not
it's not giblet gravy? What is it?
This is the chicken gravy.
So what's the difference between giblet gravy and chicken gravy?
Giblet.
I'm guessing a giblet's part of a chicken.
It is.
Your boy's not a farmer anymore.
That's it.
I have a question, if anybody out there can answer this. How does a chicken get gravel out of its crawl? I will be announcing the answer next video. But if anybody knows, feel free to comment. How does a chicken get gravel out of its crawl? That it?
That's it. So